Hi guys, welcome to Careergo. I built this site because I was tired of applying for each and every job, generating a cover letter for each and every job, tailoring for each and every job. So I built this tool to kind of help me, and I'm also putting it out there so that people can actually buy and use it. So for the price, it's 300 Kenya shillings, which is around $3 for a day. It's sort of like a one-time payment, so you just pay for that day. There is no subscription or anything like that. So you pay for a day, it finishes, you have to pay again. It finishes, you have to pay again. And to get started, I'll just log in. Log in, you can create a new resume, a cover letter, or a new job. I'll start with a new job. So you just need to copy, like this is a job, just need to copy it and paste it there. So the AI will process the job and then save it to the database. And it's this one, and there's all this basic information, but now it categorizes all this information that is needed, especially things like this, which is the ATS keywords that you need to add to your resume or cover letter, and the industry terms that you can actually add to your resume and cover letter. Yeah. And then I'll go to resumes. Resumes, you can create a new one, a blank resume, or you can just import one. So I'll just import one here, like this one. Use AI to import the resume. So it's also yeah, use AI to import the resume. So I think we're in the 8th month. So I think it's this one here. I'll just refresh to check. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay. So I can actually go in and actually start editing my resume. For the resume section, you can create a new one from scratch or just import. For today, for importing, you just basically do that. Then click on the resume you want to import, which is maybe this one. Open. Give it time because it uses AI to actually process the resume. And we have it here. For the resume section, you have the option of importing a resume or creating a new one from scratch. For now, I'll just create a new one from scratch. So I'll just delete this one and just create new which is this one. So I can actually go in and edit things. So for example, I can put in my name. And all the details that are needed. Can generate a professional summary. So let's say I want for 3 years, 5 years. You can generate a professional summary that you can want to use. Here I'll just add more information. To build up and you can see the resume is starting to come up. You can add employment history, but here if you have no idea, you can actually generate like here you can see like developed software using generative AI and can generate bullet points that you want to use, and I can add like all this here. Actually make them bullets. Yeah. Education, you can also add your education there. No need to generate any bullets there. Skills, you can add your skills, let's say TypeScript. React.js. Like that. There are also other things you can add, like for example, if you have certifications, you can add a certification section, and yeah, we'll just have that sample certification. In here we can add maybe you can call this and you can actually add dates. Yeah. You can also add your projects, and for projects again, I think I'll change that. Nairobi County to Kenya. For projects, you can also generate bullet points for that. So let's say I did a project on real estate. So something like that. Get your list of bullet points. You can add them. And then you can just come in and actually start formatting them to look good. The other thing we have is it's like analysis of the resume to determine how good it is. So if I click calculate score, I can use an existing job, like let's say this one, to calculate. It takes a bit of time, but it will give you a score and recommendations for each and every section on what can be improved. So you have a 65, and then you have suggestions like adding your LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, personal website or portfolio. Okay, we have one there. Professional summary, maybe keywords you can actually add the professional summary and the importance. And same goes for each and every section, even skills. They mention here like skills that you should add which are relevant to the job. That is for the resume. And of course, you can download the resume. For cover letters, so I'll just delete a few of them. You can create your own cover letter, which is this one. And you can start editing it like things like that. You can generate the actual cover letter. So I'll just use an existing resume like this one and an existing job that I saved like this one, and you can start generating the cover letter. And then you can go forward. Maybe you just need to copy it. You can actually just copy it and use it the way it is, or you can actually go and download the cover letter. And yeah, this explains the major features around Careergo. Thank you.